Welcome, in front of me is an LG V50 and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Storage, choose your SD card, tap on the three dots and go to Storage Settings, where you'll find the option to format. Now once you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will remove basically everything from that SD card, and if there is anything on it that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on Format. The process will immediately begin and it only takes a couple of seconds. Once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. So click on Done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.